Your brain is lying to you about trading, and it is costing you everything. Here is the lie. You are waiting to become profitable before you start thinking like a profitable trader. That sounds logical, but it is exactly backwards. And as long as you believe it, you will stay exactly where you are right now. In the next 10 minutes, I am going to show you the exact identity trap that keeps 95% of traders stuck and the 3 shifts that break it permanently.
Here is what most traders do. They enter a trade with hope. They hold a trade with anxiety. They close a trade to relieve the emotion. Not because of their plan, because of how they feel. And here is why that happens. They are still thinking like someone who has never won. The belief is, when I start making money, I will become more confident. When my account grows, I will become more disciplined. It sounds reasonable, but it is completely wrong. Because the way you think creates the result, not the other way around. The result does not create the way you think. If you wait for money before you think correctly, you will wait a very long time. Maybe forever. In the next 10 minutes, I am going to show you the exact identity trap that keeps 95% of traders stuck and the 3 shifts that break it permanently.
Most traders are trapped, not by the market, not by their strategy, not by bad luck. They are trapped by their own identity. Here is how it works. Every time you lost, your brain recorded it. Every time you were wrong, your brain recorded it. Every time the market beat you, your brain recorded it. And from all of that, it built a belief. The market is too hard for me. I am probably not good enough. I will probably only make a little. You think that is clarity. You think that is being realistic. But it is not. It is fear wearing the mask of logic. And when you trade from that identity, you shrink every decision to fit your past. You do not hold trades long because you have been reversed before. You do not trust your system because you have seen it fail. You are not trading probabilities. You are trading painful memory. No one is imprisoning you. Your own thinking is.
Since you were young, the world taught you one word: realistic. Be realistic. Set realistic goals. Have realistic expectations. And you believed that was wisdom. But in trading, being realistic is exactly what kills you. Because what you call realistic is not objective truth. It is only the sum of your past, the losses, the mistakes, the times the market humiliated you. And from that, you make decisions. I do not dare hold this trade because I have been burned. I do not dare trust this setup because I have been wrong. That is not trading probabilities. That is trading painful memory. A profitable trader does not see the market through the lens of his past. He sees it through probabilities. He understands one thing. If I have an edge and I execute it long enough, the result is inevitable. Not possible. Inevitable. Let me tell you about Ryan. Ryan had been trading for 2 years. He knew everything. Candlestick patterns, support and resistance, risk management rules. He knew all of it. But every month, he still lost money. Not because of strategy, because of identity. Ryan saw himself as someone trying to make it. Someone who hoped each trade would save him. Someone who needed the market to validate him. And that identity drove every decision he made. Then Ryan made one shift. He stopped seeing himself as someone trying to make money. He started seeing himself as someone executing a system. Before every trade, he asked one question only. Does this match my system? Not how much can I make? Not what if I lose? Does this match my system? If yes, he entered. If no, he stayed out. 3 months later, Ryan had his first consistently profitable quarter. Not because he found a better strategy, because he became a different trader.
3 identity shifts that change everything. Shift 1. Stop trading to make money. Start trading to execute your edge. Before every trade, ask only one question. Is this setup part of my system? Yes, enter. No, stay out. When money stops driving every decision, fear stops driving every decision. Shift 2. Accept the loss before you enter the trade, not after you lose. Before you click enter, you are already completely okay losing that amount. If you are not okay, you are not allowed to enter. This removes every reason to move your stop loss, every reason to hold a loser hoping. The decision is made before the emotion arrives. Shift 3. Measure behavior, not results. After every session, ask one question. Did I follow my system today? Yes or no? Not did I make money? Did I follow my system? If yes, that is a successful trading day, regardless of profit or loss.
Here is what nobody tells you about this. Profitable trading is not exciting. It is not dramatic. It is not intense. It is boring. Waiting. Checking the system. Passing on unclear setups. Executing when conditions are met. Repeating it until you are bored. And that boredom is exactly what makes money. An immature trader wants the feeling. A profitable trader wants the result. And the result comes from doing the right thing at the right time with the right risk and letting probability do the rest. You do not need to feel ready. You do not need to feel confident. You just need to do the right thing, no matter how you feel. That is when you take control. Not control of the market. Control of yourself.
You do not need another strategy. You do not need another indicator. You do not need another secret. You need to become the person who can execute what you already know consistently. And to do that, you must stop waiting to feel ready and start acting like the trader you are becoming before the results arrive, before the confidence arrives, before the account grows, because that is the only way they ever arrive. Write your trader identity today. I am a disciplined system executor. I do not trade emotion. I trade my edge. Read it every morning before the market opens. Drop a comment below. What is the one identity belief holding you back most right now? I read every single comment. And if this changed something for you, hit subscribe and the bell icon so you never miss a video like this. I will see you in the next one.